Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this tablet. So to get started, swipe down from the top right side of your screen, which will bring down a bunch of the toggles, and here you'll find your screen recorder toggle. I'm going to click on it. Now for me it automatically starts recording, but in your case you'll get a window somewhere right here asking to basically allow access to sound, which is like the microphone, media, and also for files. So just select agree and it will then automatically begin recording, and the microphone will be also turned on by default, so it looks like this. I do turn it off myself. Anyway, from here, once you're recording, you can open up any kind of application that you want and it will be recorded. There is a bit of a limitation. There are certain apps that will not be recorded, though I don't see any of them right here. That might not be. Anyway, once you're done recording, you can click right here where the timer is, and this will automatically stop the recording and save it into your gallery. And let's open up our gallery. And you can see it right here at the very top. There we go. I'm gonna skip forward a little bit as I did a bunch of nothingness throughout. So there we go. So that's the recording. Now that's one way you can find your screen recording. There might be another one by going into albums, and here you'll find screenshot album, which also contains screen recordings, which makes it a little bit easier to find screenshots and also screen recordings later on down the line in a nice area where it's not, messy with all other kind of downloaded images, photos, and videos that you have captured normally. But anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.